How do hotels ensure cleanliness and safety in shared spaces? This video explores the systematic evaluation of hotel public areas using eAuditor. Discover how structured digital workflows enhance guest experiences. Hotel public area cleaning involves routine cleaning of shared spaces accessible to guests and staff. These areas reflect the hotel's image and are crucial for hygiene and safety. eAuditor ensures consistent evaluations, focusing on cleanliness and visual appeal. It aids housekeeping teams in spotting deficiencies and resolving issues promptly. This approach maintains high guest satisfaction. The primary goal is to validate cleanliness in all guest-accessible areas. Performance monitoring ensures attendants adhere to cleaning schedules. Detecting issues promptly allows for immediate maintenance and hygiene resolutions. Compliance with hotel SOPs and protocols is verified through inspections. This ensures hygiene standards are consistently met. Inspections cover all public-facing spaces to maintain exceptional standards. The lobby and reception areas are checked for cleanliness and order. Corridors, elevators, and public restrooms are inspected for sanitation. Dining areas and fitness zones are evaluated for hygiene. Outdoor spaces like parking and gardens are also included. Pre-inspection involves setting up customized eAuditor checklists. Inspections are scheduled and assigned to supervisors for execution. Detailed inspections use zone-specific checklists for thorough evaluations. Post-inspection actions include report generation and corrective action assignments. This ensures timely resolution of any identified issues. Smart checklists are tailored to specific zones or shifts. Image capture documents cleaning progress and highlights issues. Real-time notifications alert teams to immediate tasks. Automated scheduling ensures no area is overlooked during inspections. Analytics dashboards provide trend monitoring for continuous improvement. Using eAuditor for inspections ensures pristine, guest-ready spaces. Enhanced operations and swift corrective actions boost performance. Consistent maintenance of public areas elevates guest satisfaction and protects the hotel's brand. This is the conclusion of your video.